What's up, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Today I don't want to take up too much of your time. I got a quick unboxing video. So are you ever tired of, if you record videos on your phone and you ever tired, holding handheld or carrying them big old tripods, just for a smartphone? Well, I got something that can actually help out better than that. And now this one is actually pocket size. Two things. Yes, and I did say pocket size. I got these both from Amazon. So first thing first, I will show you how it works. I got the mini tripod right here from G.E.P. You see right here, it's a mini tripod. Yes, it is pocket size. Mini tripod, see, pocket size right there, as you can see. And I also got the Lumafusion ST-03 pocket phone tripod mount. And both of these are tripod mount. I did get both of these from Amazon. So if you want to check out both of these, I'll leave the links in the description box. And they weren't that expensive, especially with me. If you're ever on the go, you want to bring out your phone, get some great content like how I do. I shoot content on my phone. And you ever want to get better stabilization, instead of, you don't always do it handheld, which is good also, but, carrying those huge tripods like G.E.P or the, Manfrotto or whatever kind of tripod, these are actually pocket size. So, you can whip both of these out, put them from your pocket, whip it out, connect it to your phone, bam. Then you just go from there, But let me show you how they are. So I'm gonna start off first with the mini tripod. As you can see, little small package unboxing. I don't want to be too long with this. So yes, it is a nice durable tripod, metal. You hear that? So here it is. See, this is literally how big it is right here. It's smaller than the phone. I will show you how it's be connected with my 8 Plus. So this is a comparison to the 8 Plus with the case on it. Especially if you want to set it down. See, set it down. It sets down very low, but you ever want to, go out, handheld, it's really all you got. Once you're done, just slide it right back into your pocket. Not very big. Now, let me show you the other one. And this is by Lumafusion. This is the ST-03 mini tripod. It's actually a great buy, found it on Amazon, because I know when I usually go out, I get tired of carrying big ones. Like big tripods, medium size, where I can't put them in my pocket. Especially if you're not like really doing nothing. And when you go places, people be asking you, oh, did your tripod extend? Because they don't want you to get into a fight, Well, where I live, some people, they ask you, because if you have a tripod that extends, normally sometimes they don't really let you bring it in. But these, they fit right into your pocket, take them out. But here this is. So how this goes, it's real small. So let me show you how this works. So what you do is, see the legs? They fold down, because they fold down. These ones up here, they fold up. And then you be like, okay, well, it doesn't extend. So how you get your phone in there? So this is what you do. You take the little screw it out, get to the size that you want of your phone. That should be, yeah, it does work with a case, Screw it back down, sweet. Not too tight, just there, because it's not going nowhere. So that's how it looks on the phone. Now you take because this has the right there. It also has a hidden cold shoe mount on top, like if you want to put like a light on top or attach a microphone. So check this out, and here you go. Now you be out vlogging and you get the perfect angles, because now you can actually hold this right here handheld, do whatever you got to. You want to do some vertical videos for Instagram, talk to people, but you can hold it, get some different angles while you're trying to get some B-roll shots. Very great. So if you want to check out these, I'll leave the links to it down in the description box below, little Amazon affiliated links. Help me, help you, Got more videos coming. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we're on our way to 700 subscribers. Right now we're at like 617, 618. So hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 700. Woo! I'm trying to really get to 1,000 by summer. So if you're new here, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Check this out, Amazon affiliated links. This wasn't that expensive. I think both of these I only paid like $28, maybe $30 with tax, so off Amazon. So check out the links down in the description box below. But if you did enjoy this video, here it is. Zeto mini tripod pocket size and Lumafusion mini tripod mount. Works really great. So your setup's all nice and not all huge and bulky. I don't like that. I like to be small and compact, bam. Get what I need to do, I'm good to go. But other than that, if you did enjoy this video, it's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV, aka BMC. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys sometime this week. Peace.